Welcome back to the Wolverine News Network. This is Steve Thompson, your correspondent. We are on location on a wild and scenic river, and we are about to cross it. If you never hear from us again, I hope that someday this camera is found. Ben, are you willing to risk it?
This is an undisclosed location. This is the back door to Glacier National Park. The water's at least 12 inches deep, although it's also about very cold. We have boots. We hope they don't leak. We're going to give it a try.
Okay, folks, we hope to return, but if you never see us again, gulo gulo.
Good luck, men.